Hello student, now the part 5 of matrices. Multiplication of matrices by a scalar quantity. Scalar multiplication. If there is a matrix A whose elements are given as A, I, J and the order is m into n and k is a scalar quantity with which we have to multiply the matrix Ka. New matrix Ka is equal to the elements are given as k, a, I, j and the order remains as m into n. एक एग्जांपल के तौर पे हम देखेंगे, एग्जांपल लेंगे हम if A is a matrix given by 2 3 1 minus 2 and we have to find 3A, then it is 3A is equal to 3 into 2 3 minus 1 minus 2 and it becomes 2 into 3 3 into 3 1 into 3 minus 2 into 3 it becomes 2 into 3 6 3 into 3 9 1 into 3 3 minus 2 into 3 minus 6 and this is the required solution. One more example we will take. If A is equal to 1 minus 3 9 2 by 3 and B is equal to 1 by 5 2 by 5 6 and 1, then find 3A minus 2B 5B 3A minus 5B. The solution is 3A minus 5B is equal to 3 into A, which is 1 minus 3 9 2 by 3 minus 5 into 1 by 5 2 by 5 6 1, that is equal to 1 into 3 minus 3 into 3 9 into 3 2 by 3 into 3 minus 1 by 5 into 5 2 by 5 into 5 6 into 5 1 into 5. It becomes 1 into 3 3 minus 9 27 and 2 minus 1 2 30 and this becomes 5 and now we have to subtract the second from the first, that is 3 minus 1 minus 9 minus 2 27 minus 30 and 2 minus 5. Final answer is 2 minus 11 minus 3 minus 3. This is the answer. Properties of multiplication of matrices. Let A is a matrix of order m into n and the elements are given by Aij, and there is another matrix B which is also of m into n order and the elements are given by Bij, and the k and L are two scalar quantities, two integers, two rational numbers, any number. Then there are two things to say, that the sum of A and B when multiplied with the k which is a scalar, it becomes Ka plus Kb. Another property is when matrix A is multiplied with the sum of two scalars, then it is equal to Ka plus La, where k and L both are two scalar quantities. Verify verify ka plus b is equal to ka plus kb and k plus l a equal to ka plus la when a is equal to 1 3 7 2 and b is equal to 11 3 1 5. So first property says ka plus b is equal to ka plus kb. Firstly we will find out the sum of a and b. A plus b is equal to 1 3 7 2 plus 11 3 1 5. It becomes 1 plus 11 3 plus 3 7 plus 1 2 plus 5. The answer is 12 9 8 and 7. And when we multiply it with the scalar k, a plus b, it becomes k 12 9 8 7 is equal to 12k 9k 8k 7k. The then right hand side ka is equal to ka plus kb. We'll find it k and a is 1372 plus k b 11315. It becomes 1k 3k 7k 2k. We will write it as k and then plus 11k 3k k and 5k. We will keep it as it here and now it is equal to ka plus kb is equal to k plus 11k 3k plus 3k 7k plus k and 2k plus 5k. It is further equal to 12k 3 plus 3 6k 8k and 7k. And we'll see this is ka plus b and this is ka plus kb. So both are equal, hence ka plus b is equal to ka plus kb. Now the second part is k plus l a is equal to ka plus la. We find k plus l a is equal to k plus l and a is 1372. This is further equal to k plus l into 1 k plus l. 3 into k plus l is 3 k plus l. 7 into this 7 into k plus l. 2 into k plus l and bracket close. On the right hand side ka plus la. This is equal to k into a 1372 plus LE 1372. This is equal to 1 into K, then 3K, 7K, 2K plus 1 into L, 3 into L, 3L, 7L, 2L. We'll sum it up. K plus L, 3K plus 3L, 7K plus 7L, 2K plus 2L, and this becomes K plus L. इसमें से 3 कॉमन, K plus L, 7 कॉमन, K plus L, 2 कॉमन, K plus L. We'll see from here and here both are equal, so we'll write hence K plus L A is equal to KA plus LA. Negative of matrix. A negative of a matrix A is minus A. It is obtained by multiplying matrix A with the number minus 1. That is, negative of A is equal to minus 1 into A. एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे देखते हैं. Find the negative of matrix A. A is equal to where A is equal to minus 2, minus 1, 3, 4 by 5. So solution is minus A is equal to minus 1 into A. This is further equal to minus A into minus 2, minus 1, 3, 4 by 5, and now it becomes minus 2 into minus 1, minus 1 into minus 1, 3 into minus 1, and 4 by 5 into minus 1, and it becomes minus minus plus 2, 1, minus 3, minus 4 by 5. This is the required answer, negative of. Now we will do few examples. Find x and y where x plus y is 5015, which is of 2 by 2 order, and x minus 2 is equal to 1003, same order, 2 into 2. The solution is, we'll take x plus y is equal to 5015 and x minus y is equal to 1003. We'll see here y is of positive and here y is a negative, so we'll do this thing, elimination method. 2x is equal to addition of 5015 plus 1003, and it becomes 5 plus 1, 0 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 5 plus 3. 2x is equal to 6018. Now x is equal to 1 by 2 into 6018, and it becomes 6 into half, 0, 1 into half, 8 into half, and x we got the x. 6 into half is 3, 0, half, 4. Now we'll find y. we know that x plus y is equal to 5015 and x is 301 by 2 4 plus y is equal to 5015. Here y becomes 5015 minus 301 by 2 4, and it is further equal to 5 minus 3 0 1 minus half 5 minus 4, and it is y is now 2 0 half and 1. This is our y. We got the x here. This is x and this is y. Another example is find x and y if 2 into the matrix 1 3 0 2x plus y 0 1 2 is equal to 5 6 1 8. The solution is 2 1 0 3 2x plus y 0 1 2 is equal to 5 6 1 8, and it implies 2 6 0 and 4x. 2 into 1 2 2 3 is 6 2 0 0 2 into 2x 4x plus y plus z y 0 1 2 is equal to 5 6 1 8. Further implies 2 plus y 2 plus y 6 plus 0 6 0 plus 1 1 4x plus 2 is equal to 5 6 1 8. Here the a11 and b11 both are equal, so we will take 2 plus y is equal to 5 and 4x plus 2 is equal to 8. And here from equation 1, and this is equation 2, from equation 1 y is equal to 5 minus 2, which is further equal to 3, so y is equal to 3. Now from equation 2, 4x plus 2 is equal to 8, 4x is equal to 8 minus 2 is equal to 6, and x further equal to 6 by 4, which is further equal to 3 by 2. 3 2 3 ja 2 2 ja 3 by 2. So x is equal to 3 by 2.